So like for my part, I have taken JSON as the input content format. So here, JSON is also it's by itself it's a great structured way of storing information, but it's not suitable for end users to read directly, as we know. So the challenge here was transforming that structured JSON into polished HTML while correctly mapping all the components and preserving intended layouts, managing proper spacing, information architectures, styles, and like elements like tables and code blocks, uh, things like that, nested content. My objective was to automate this process of proper conversion to HTML and then reviewing it using the skills I created. So you can just go to the demo. Here I have explained. uh, You can forward places where they seem to be slow, but I've done that as well. I'll be demonstrating the JSON to HTML conversion skill first.
And Swati, your voice is too low for me in the demo. I'm not sure. Aman, are you able to hear it?
We can
Can
hear it. Yeah,
yes,
we
Okay,
can hear
all
you
it.
right.
can maximize the
Go
volume
ahead. I have.
along with the conversion and HTML guidelines. I've also given an option here for the user to select uh, the style guide or style standards they want to this is the skill I'm just explaining. Generate the documentation on. And
So, do you want to explain something, Swati?
no, I was saying I
To the
just
project.
explained the skill here a
By
bit, but you
default,
can
it will be
continue this.
MSTP, but there is an
Mhm.
option to define either IBM or Google development documentation too. And I've given some basic guidelines for each. Now, I'll run this skill on one example documentation. Firstly, this is a generated document. This is something I've already generated. This is a very simple one, just content here, and it has converted. Now, I'll be running it on this example, which is a more elaborate one. This has tables and some other components as well. So yeah, I'm giving the path here alongside my skill. And so at this point, it asks which documentation style guide you want. If I give one 5, it will take MSTP by default. So I can give 5 or 1, it would be the same. This is the file it has generated. Run it. Quality reviewer skill I have here. And this will check, review the document based on the selected style guide. So just here it has generated a report. And validated the documentation that was generated, the HTML. It is validated that for structure, completeness, style guide compliance, and overall publication readiness. And it has given a score accordingly. Now, I'll just try running this on an example, just a bad HTML that I've created just to test if it catches the issues in this documentation. So this is the one that I'll run now. So there are clearly some mistakes here. And here it has generated a report for the bad test file. So it has generated a report here. As you can see, it has found many issues. It has highlighted major issues first, followed by minor issues, and then it has given some recommendations to correct these and all the revisions that we need to do. Yeah, the score is very less, as you can see, compared to the previous document, which had a better score, pretty decent score.